Hey everyone, welcome back to another video by Simplilearn. In this session, we will be creating a trading project in which we will be able to buy different types of home appliances like refrigerator, air conditioner, microwave, etc. by checking their price and discount on each item. After buying these products, a proper bill will be generated displaying the current time and date. We will use different concepts of C++ to make this C++ project. This project will be helpful for those folks who are at their initial to intermediate stage. We have tried to keep this project as basic as we could. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to never miss an update from Simplilearn. Now, let's switch to our code editor. So this is our code editor dev C++. First of all, let's save this one. Let's type, first of all, we'll include the header files. So hash include iostream. Now let's try to save first of all. Let's save it. Let's name it first of all. We want to name it, let's say, project2.cpp. So we have named this one and we have saved. Alright, now the project2.cpp is the name of this file. Now we can start with the coding part. Now another header file we'll have to include is hash include ctime. So we are including ctime because we have to display the time also. That's why we'll have to include this library ctime. Alright, now using namespace standard. Now we'll start with the main function, that is int main. Now inside this function, we'll first of all initialize some variables and functions. So let's say we'll initialize a character and let's name it start. After that, we'll have to initialize or declare a function also. Let's say the function name is shop and void will be passed to it. Alright, now another variable would be of character type, again it is choice. So we have created two variables and declared a function. Alright, so this project would be of shopping, of trading of home appliances. So we'll do that. For that, we will ask the user to press a key. Let's say for home appliances, he would press H to continue shopping. So first of all, we'll create a tag. I'll explain to you why we are creating these tags. First of all, we'll create a tag startL. We have named this tag as startL. Alright. Now we'll display a message saying that please press H to start shopping for home appliance. Alright. So we are asking the user to press H to start shopping for the home appliances. Now here we use again another tag start. I'll explain them later why we are doing that. Now we will take an input from the user, that is start. So we'll take the input. Now this input would be H that the user will be entering. So now the user can enter in small case or in uppercase. So for that we will use an if condition in which we will write start equals H, that is the lowercase, or start equals uppercase. Alright, so here we will declare a variable, let's say float, and name it total. Now we will call a function and store that function in this variable. So we'll call shop. Alright, now time underscore t equals time null. So yeah, now let me write the other part of the code also, then I'll explain the complete part. So tm star ptr local time and t. So time t is a time related type. So there are four types of time related types: clock underscore t, time underscore t, size underscore t, and tm. These types are capable of representing system and date as some sort of integer. Now here the time function with null parameter returns the current calendar time in seconds. As we can see, time with null. Now moving on to the second one, that is tm asterisk sign. So tm is a struct type and the local time function is returning a pointer to the tm object. This is a local time function. This is returning the object to the tm. This is returning function to the tm object. Right. So as you can see here, we have used the arrow operator. So the arrow operator in C or C++ gives the value held by the variable name to the structure or union variable of the pointer name. So after that we can see we have used the tmday here, tmmday. So it means that days of month ranging from 1 to 31, and this tmmon, which means month since January. So it is, we are using these variables to represent the time. So tmmon, that is for month, it will represent, it means the months from January, since January, and this is for the days 1 to 31, and this is for the year, like tm year means year since 1900. So we will use all of these to represent the date. Alright, now we'll type print build time. So for the build time we'll have to do this like t ptr tm underscore hour. Alright, for this we will use this. So here we are printing the build time. This will print the hour, this will print the minute, this will print the second. Alright. Now we'll print total bill amount. Alright, now we will use an if condition because we will have to give some discount also. So if the total is greater than 50,000 and less than 1 lakh, then we will give a discount of 5%. and to give the discount we'll do total equals total minus 0.05 into total, that would be 5%. Now the total discount will print total discount 5%. Similarly, we will do for others also. Like if the buyer buys more than 1 lakh and less than 1,25,000, then we will give a different discount and different discount for other amounts as well. So we can do that. We can just copy it and then use it. Else if so here we'll do that if the amount is from 1 lakh, 1,25,000, then we will give a discount of, let's say, 10%. Let 0.1, it would be 10%. Next, else if, let's just copy paste this one. $125 to $150. Then we will give a discount of 25%, which is 0.25. If the amount is more than 1.5 lakhs, that is 1,50,000, then we will give a discount of 0.5, that is 50%. Now here we'll write Cout total bill amount, and then we will print amount, that is total. Now here we will use a tag again. Now here we will print that do you want to shop again or not. If yes, then press Y, and if no, then you have to press N. Then we'll have to take the input from the user, right? C in choice. So if the user selects Y, so we'll write if choice equals to Y, smaller case or uppercase, then we can do that go to start, as we have used the tag. So these tags are used because if the user press Y, then we'll straight go to this start tag, like this portion will be displayed. So as we can see, this tag is used. So if the user will press yes or Y, then we'll straight go to this part because of this tag. So that's how tag is used. Also we'll have to use single quotes, not the double one. Now else if, in else if we'll write choice N In this case, we can print thanks for shopping. And in else, so it will act as a default case. So this is basically a default case in which in this portion we'll write you have entered wrong option, please press H. Alright, now we'll use again an else block. For the above if, we'll write you have entered wrong option, please press H to start again. And I'll now go to start. After that, as we can see, we have declared a function, this float total, this shop function that we have stored in total. So we will be creating the body of this function, float shop. Now here we will use a tag again. So again a tag will be used which is name shop. The name of the tag is shop. Now again some variables will be declared like character choice, product again of character type, let's say quantity of integer type, and bill which will have to initialize from 0. We will be using it. Then again we will be using another tag, let's say item level or item L. It's your choice, whatever you want to name the tag. Now let's create a welcome interface kind of a thing. Alright, as we can see, so this would be please enter R to order refrigerator. After that, and I will use. Then similarly we will copy this part and use it. Let's name it to please press W to order washing machine. T for television, let's say M for microwave. And let's say A for air conditioner. Now first of all we'll create an if-else condition. In that if-else condition we will cover all the things like if it is not refrigerator, washing machine, television, microwave, air conditioner, other than those things, then it will go to the else block. For that we have to create an if condition in which we will keep all those home appliances. So let's just do that. If choice equals R, choice choice equals T, equals M. Alright, now inside this if condition we'll use another if in which we will write if choice equals R or uppercase R, then in that condition we will mention different brand names and different prices of a refrigerator. So for that let's create cout. In that we will write Whirlpool. Let's set the price of Whirlpool is 40,000. After that we will use endl. Similarly we'll do for all of these. So let's say Whirlpool, Samsung, we'll mention it Samsung. Then higher. Similarly, Voltas. Alright, now the user will enter the choice like 1, 2, 3 up to 6. So let's say if the user will enter 1, then we will ask the user please enter the quantity of the product. Alright, now in cin we'll write quantity. We'll take the input from the user. Now these variables we have already declared. So bill equals to bill plus quantity into 40,000, which is the price of one, that is Whirlpool. Washing refrigerator Whirlpool cost 40,000, that is why we are multiplying this. Alright, so similarly, if in else if condition we'll do the same. If the product is 2, if the user will press 2, then the price of Samsung is 25,000. The rest is same. Similarly, for product 3 also. So this is what we have created for refrigerator. Now we'll have to use an else block. In this else block we'll write you have entered the wrong option. Please try again. Alright, now go to refrigerator. Now similarly, as we have done for the refrigerator, we'll do the same for washing machine also. Let's copy this part. If choice washing machine, that is W, washing machine details. Alright, now let's name it Bosch, and the price would be 40,000, 25,000, 20,000. The second would be LG, third would be IFP, higher, and last would be, let's say, Samsung. We can do the same. We can copy this part to save some time. We'll have to alter the values only, the rest would be same. Alright, if the product is 1, then please enter the quantity of the product: 40,000, 25,000, 20,000, 58. We will have to do 58, then 30,000, then 45,000. Similarly, we'll have to do it for others also, like as we can see, we have many home appliances. Like we have done for refrigerator and washing machine, we'll have to do for television, microwave, air conditioner. For these three we will have to do the same. So we can just copy paste those things. So we have copy pasted for air conditioner, microwave and television, and let's save it. Let me show you. This is for the television. The code is same. We'll have to alter the digits like the price of each brand. We'll have to do that. And for microwave also, as you can see. And now let's have a situation where the user enters any other alphabet rather than these alphabets like R, W, M, T, A. Then for that condition we will have to create an else block. And for that, let's create an else block. In that else block we will write you have entered the wrong option, please try again. Alright, return bill. Alright, after that we'll have to use the bracket. Let's try to run it by first saving it. Now we'll try to run this, execute, compile and run. Let's hope it works. So there are some errors. That we need to take care of. Another one is this RPTR we have written. It's TPTR, and the TM second we'll have to use the arrow operator here. Alright. So let's save it again and try to run this. Hope it runs. So as you can see, it is showing please press H to start shopping. So we'll press H. Now please follow the instructions. Please enter R to order refrigerator. Please enter W to order washing machine. Please enter T to order television. Enter M to microwave. A for air conditioner. So let's say I want to order refrigerator only. And these are the refrigerator details. They have Whirlpool, Samsung, Haier, Voltas, Godrej, Panasonic, and the price ranges are mentioned. So let's say I want to order Voltas. I'll click 4. Please enter the quantity of the product. Let's say I want to purchase 4 refrigerators. Let's consider a situation. Alright, so 4 refrigerators, date is mentioned, time is mentioned, and the total bill amount is 72,000. So 18 fours are 72 as we can see. So total discount, as we have given the discount about 50% is 5%. So after discount it reduces to 68,400. Now they're asking if you want to continue shopping or not. Like let's say I want to shop something more, then I'll click Y. Before that guys, let me show you that we have different discounts that we have mentioned. Like let's see again. As we can see, just a second, this if the total amount is greater than 50,000 and less than 1 lakh, then 5% discount. If it is greater than 1 lakh and less than 1 lakh 25,000, then it will be 10%. Between 125 and 150 it would be 25%, and greater than 150 it would be 50%. So this is how we are giving the discount in this project. Now let's try to run this again. So we'll press H. Now let's say I want to buy microwave. I'll click M. Let's say Whirlpool or Samsung. Let's say Samsung microwave I want to buy. I'll press 6. Please enter the quantity of the product. Let's say I want to buy 5 microwaves. Then 1,75,000, Bill date is created, bill time is generated, 50% discount is there, and after the discount it comes around 87,500. Alright, so this is how we can do that. And let's say I'll click on Y. If I want to shop again, then again I'll have to click on H. Now I want to buy, let's say, air conditioner, so I'll press A, enter your choice. Let's say I want to buy O journal, so I'll click on 4. 3 O journal ACs, 66,000. After discount it is 62,700. And let's say if I add some wrong option, let's say I'll click, so here I'll have to click RWTMA. Let's say I'll click 4 or 2 something, some digits I'll enter. Then it will show you have entered the wrong option, please try again. And if I'll click, let's say B, which is not there, then what will it show? Again it will show you have entered the wrong option. So we have to select RWTMA. From these we'll have to select. We cannot select from any other digit or alphabet. We have to select from RWTMA. So let's say A and Daikin 1 only. And now I want to quit the shopping, then I'll click on N. Thanks for shopping. So this is our C++ trading project that you can create. It is quite basic project, and this will help you in understanding C++ in a better way. So this was all about our project in C++. You can make this project on your own for the learning purpose. The link of this code will be added in the description box. With that, we have come to the end of this video. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I hope it really helped you all. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and keep learning.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.